See animal adventures. Feed the animals.
What does a dog eat? Flour.
Ooh, yuck,
Grass.
yucky.
Bone. What does a cow eat? Bone.
Yucky.
Worms.
Ooh,
Grass. What does a cat? Grass.
yucky,
Chili.
yucky.
Fish. What does a bear eat? Honey. 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 What does a hippopotamus eat? Leaves. Squid.
Yucky,
Meat.
yuck.
Leaves. You have unlocked a new sticker. What does a panda eat? Corn.
Yucky.
Cheese.
Ooh,
Bamboo. What does a lion eat? Twigs.
ooh,
Meat. What does a crocodile eat? Acorn.
I don't eat that.
Meat. What does a mouse eat? Cheese. You have unlocked. What does an elephant? Bug.
Yuck,
Grass. What does a bee eat? Peanuts.
yucky.
Flour. What does a fish eat? Banana.
Yucky,
Worms. What does a frog eat? Bug. You have unlocked. What does a giraffe eat? Honey.
I don't eat that.
Twigs. What does a horse eat? Worms. Apple.
What does a kangaroo eat?
Squid.
Broccoli.
What does a monkey eat? Grass.
Yuck,
Banana. You have on. What does an ostrich? Flour. Flour. What does a parrot eat? Chili. What does a penguin eat? Leaves. Squid. What does a pig eat? Honey.
ooh, yuck.
Corn. You have unlocked a new sticker. What does a rabbit eat? Fish.
Yuck,
Carrot. What does a squirrel eat? Flour.
yucky.
Acorn. What does a zebra eat? Meat.
Ooh,
Twigs. What does a dog eat?